Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Fashionably Grateful and I'm here at Walmart once again. I am doing another fitting room haul with Fashionably clothing line. Now y'all, I must say all the tags are ripped off as far as the prices because I guess they're trying to not really be super open about the tariff stuff. I don't know. Look it up. You can look up why Walmart is snatching the tags off. They definitely give an answer. But guys, I will tag everything in the shop with the prices on the shopping bag on the screen. So make sure you check it out. Like my video, please. It doesn't cost you nothing. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the deals, because y'all keep in mind, Walmart, their prices do go down on you, and I'm always in the know and I'm always letting you know, especially for things that are like the best sellers. Once they get to clearance, that stuff be flying off the shelves, okay, or flying off the racks. So make sure you're paying attention, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Follow me. Okay, so Fashionably, y'all, you know they got a whole wall full of goodies. A whole wall. I've been wanting to try this dress for a minute and they got it in my size, so you know we going to. I do like these sweaters too, these little tank top sweaters, but it's something about this green and blue one. I want to try this on with the denim skirt that they got. I want to try this on, right? But the shirt that matches it, the blazer that matches it, does not fit me. And I think that would have been so cute with a fitted blazer on that A-line skirt. It would have been cute. I would have loved to try that on, but they don't have it in my size. Not in the store anyway. This is really cute. I'm gonna try this one on. They got plenty of dresses. Y'all remember I've tried this dress on before. And here is my favorite dress. But see, I can't try on any denim because they only have like size 8 and XS and stuff like that. But they have the shirts where I can fit them, but none of the pants. So Fashionably, I can't try on any of your tops because I don't have pants to go with them. So I don't know what y'all gonna do about that, but it's almost like y'all leaving the plus size out. I need y'all to stop leaving the plus size out. We need jeans too. So you got them, you just got them online. I don't want to buy your stuff and then try it on and send it back. I want to try it on in the store. So can we correct that? But this is really cute. A lot of the stuff is, I love this dress. I tried this on and a lot of you guys got it. As far as these other ones, I'm hoping you like these too, especially y'all, my style is this right here. I love this mini. So I'm gonna try it on. I hope it's not too small because I want to be able to get away with this at work, okay? All right, y'all, follow me to the fitting room. Okay, guys, so starting right off, I mean, we got a bunch of Mrs. Krabappel dresses from Simpsons, but this is still cute, y'all. First of all, as soon as I zipped it up in the middle, it snatched me. I just love how it gives me that hourglass figure with the pockets too, so it makes it go out even more. I just love how this outfit looks. Now, I know it's a very conservative dress, but I love it. I think it's dope. Now, you can barely see the shoes because I'm not backed up far away enough, but they are kitten heels. They are slingbacks. They are cute. They're a little bit too big. I tried them on in a 12. I don't know why I did that. I don't wear a size 12, but they had 11s, they had 10s, they had everything I needed, but I still chose to do this, which is super weird, but it's all good. The dress is super cute. I love it. I think it is so adorable. I mean, it's something that I could definitely wear to work. I can definitely wear this to church. It's several places that you can wear this dress depending on who you are, what you do, what your lifestyle is. I definitely think this is a very nice conservative type of dress. So if you're looking for modest, I don't know if this is modest enough though, because it is showing a lot of arms. Some people do not like to show their arms, baby. I definitely do. I don't have a problem with it at all. But I thought that this was really cute. But you know what? Being that we are transitioning over into fall, I would have loved to try this on with some tall boots, like maybe burgundy or something, because you know, like I said, we're transitioning over into fall. However, they did not have any boots that looked like boots that you should wear with this type of dress. They mainly had combat boots. So as far as the pricing, I don't know how much this dress is because they ripped the price tag off, but I will put the price in the shopping bag on the screen. Okay, so that's where you'll see it. You'll have to hit the link. And, you know, if you like the dress, awesome. It might be, I think it was like $26, $28. Free assembly is normally not over $35. So really most of Walmart's branded clothing are not. So it's a pretty good price, so no worries. Y'all, this dress is also adorable. I love this dress. It's blue and white stripe. I'm trying it on with shoes and a bag. I don't know what made me grab a bag, but I was like, you know what? Let me give the people what they want. My mama said that I need to stop trying it on in Crocs. Them Crocs be feeling so good, y'all. But I will say these shoes felt just fine. Like, I stood up the whole time. I didn't have to sit down to change clothes, and I didn't have to take the shoes off every time to do it either. So a little bit of a heel, just a small kitten heel, but I mean adorable. The bag, I have been seeing this bag online. It's a pretty large tote. I like it. I have also seen this bag like through Macy's with a little bit of a different design on it, and it was expensive. It was like $100. This bag, all of the bags are like $25 and under. So if you're looking for a nice, durable, trendy, cute tote bag, Walmart has got you covered. They've got you covered with some really flashy bags as well. Make sure you check out my bag video, because I mean the fall collection is looking good. And this skirt, y'all, I love this skirt. It has a little drawstring in the front that I did not show you, but this skirt is also very much adorable. I mean, I got it in a 2X. I could have sized down on it, but I wanted to try on this shirt so bad. And since I can't fit any free assembly jeans, I had to try on the skirt, which I'm not disappointed. I'm definitely satisfied with what I'm seeing here. You know what I mean? Now, this skirt, I think, would have looked really good with some high-heeled Mary Janes. I think they would have been cute, bulky Mary Janes. And even a blazer with this shirt and just a white button-up underneath a fitted blazer would have been really, really dope with this. I think so. Now, again, this is something that I could wear to work. If I was a teacher, I was thinking about being a substitute teacher. I would definitely like to wear this as a substitute teacher. I know the teachers been getting hounded lately about how they're dressing. I think they look amazing. They can look even better if they just step in foot of Walmart and pick about 5 outfits. You ain't gonna spend that much money, less than $150, and you straight. I mean, even if you go all clearance, you spending less than $100, and they're all appropriate gear for you to wear as a school teacher or a substitute teacher or whatever. Don't get this though. Okay. Yeah, I can barely turn around in this because I keep showing my panties. This dress is too small. This dress is too small. It is just really, really mini, like for real. Now I got on a cardigan with it, but it is, y'all see that now. I don't know what Walmart or Free Assembly was thinking. Y'all give us a little bit more material. Dang, just a little bit more. I mean, the dress is huge. But if you're going to be that short, then I might as well throw some jeans on it and crop the dress up and wear it as a sweater. Because what? Like, I can't really wear this dress as a dress because every 20 seconds, every movement, it is rising on me, okay? But I love this. I just wish it was a little bit longer. So what I would probably do is grab that denim skirt that I have, put it up under it, and probably put a thick denim belt over this. And there we go. We done saved the day with this little behind dress that y'all done gave me, thinking that I ate. No, I'm not eating. My ass is eating the dress, okay? I need y'all to give us some more fabric if you want us to wear the dress, okay? I'm gonna just wear it as a sweater shirt dress over a denim A-frame skirt. I think that will save the day. Super, super cute. But y'all see me keep pulling it down, and y'all, I think I'm risking it all, to be honest with me. Everybody just turn your head, because what we not gonna do is, at least I got on underwear, so it don't even matter. But what we not gonna do is talk about me like I made this, because I did not. But guys, I love making this video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss nothing, y'all. I'll be having the deals. All right, bye bye.